to identify the parts of vacuum cleaner. This one is wet and dry vacuum cleaner. We have the top cover, the handle, the sweep button, the suction port, the hose, the power cord, the tube, dusting brush, crevice, the hard floor brush, the bucket body, okay, and this is the lock. This is the lock, and inside the cover, top cover is the main motor. This is the filter, and that's it.
Good morning everyone, my name is Charlotte Tarin. I'm going to identify the wet and dry vacuum cleaner. First we have the top cover, the switch button, the handle, the suction port, and here we have the main motor and the dusting filter. We also have the cord, the flexible hose, the extension tube or wand, and the three types of nozzle: the hard floor brush, the crevice, and the dusting brush. That's all. Thank you.
Everyone, I'm Sarah Joy Tabias, and for today, I'm going to differentiate the different parts of a vacuum machine. The first one, we have the handle, the on and off button, the lock, the exhaust port, the main motor, and the dust filter. And of course, the body of the vacuum machine, the power cord, the hard floor brush, dusting brush, the tube, the crevice, and the wand, and also the flexible wand. That's all. Flexible host. That's all. Thank you.